Okay, I'm making a veggie washing station, and I've got these huge cinder blocks, and then I've got 2 cinder blocks, and then I got a big cinder block at the bottom. I'm gonna put my big bucket on here. It's got a hole in it, so it can actually go in there and drain, and it's just gonna drain into the ground. Next, I'm going to cut some of this chicken coop wire. I guess that's what it calls. It's like a 1/4 inch or something, chicken coop wire. And I'm gonna make a little square lid where I can place it on there, put my veggies on top and rinse them, and they don't get down there in the dirty part of it. Okay, so from that chicken coop wire, I cut little corners out. So I'm gonna fold them up, and I'm gonna use some wire to tie them so it'll be like a little lid and it won't come off. I'm using this to help me do a straight line. And because it's so curled, I'm putting the bricks here. I don't know if you can see them. I'm putting the bricks there so it holds down this bar while I'm doing that. The little corners I removed on the edges, I'm going to fold them, and then I'm going to use them here as a type of reinforcement, and then tighten them with my wire. Alrighty, so I've got my corners on, and I kind of bend it around a little bit so it'll stick on there. So now I'll just have a nice surface to wash my vegetables on when I pick them. So this is just my redneck way of having a little washing station. That's it.